Let's get more on this with Stacey Bivens from our U.S. political team. Stacey, the pace in the U.S. has been incredible.
Yes.
What explains it?
Well, the main thing is that there's ownership, finally, of trying to fight COVID. Instead of putting the onus on the states to get shots in people's arms, Joe Biden's administration has worked in order to take control and use the infrastructure that already exists. So he used an old act from the Korean War, the Defense Production Act, in order to help businesses like the pharmaceutical companies produce more quickly and get them out. And so that's the speed. And when I talk about infrastructure, one of the ways that this has become very accessible to people is that the vaccines are available at pharmacies now. So people are used to going to their pharmacies anyway for the flu shot. The staff is used to giving shots. And also people who don't have insurance or that their insurance isn't big enough for what they need, they usually go to these pharmacies anyway and get help. So it's beneficial in that way, too. 40,000 pharmacies, more expected to be able to help out very soon.
And yet, we shouldn't forget that more than 500,000 Americans have died from this virus. It's a tale of two pictures here. What explains that conundrum?
There's so much to look at. One of the main things is the United States got started late. There was a denial that this was even a problem. So that's a main issue, and it became very partisan and political. So Democrats, older people, people with college educations are more apt to get the shot than a white Republican male, for example. So there's still that. Some people have COVID fatigue, so states have been opening up too quickly and causing the pandemic to spread a little bit more. But overall, things are looking up in the United States.
All right. Thanks for bringing that to us. Stacey Bivens from our U.S. political team.